So the first thing you want to do is get your Mama Monstera, look along the bottom of the stems and find the node. It may be a little tricky to find, but once you find a little plant pimple, you'll have it. And then once you find it, get your clean clippers and cut about an inch below the node. Here's a close-up of the node, and this is where your new roots will grow from during propagation. Then just prepare your vase or jar with filtered water and place it right in. And all you gotta do is change the water about 1 to 3 times a week, more the better, and wait for the new roots to come in. As for light, I try to have them somewhere where they will get light but not really directly, and somewhere where it's not too hot or too cold. Here I have my Monstera plants that I started propagating about 3 or 4 months ago, and they grew a lot. How fast they grow kind of varies. I did another cutting about the same time, but it didn't grow as much as the other one. But they're both actually ready to plant, so in the next part I'll show you how I did that. Here I have my clay pellets that I rinsed and soaked overnight. These are optional, but it's supposed to help with drainage. I got mine at IKEA, but I think you can find them pretty much anywhere, even places like Walmart. Then before I got started, I drained out all the water and began with my soil. And there you have it. That's how I propagated and planted my Monstera plants. If you enjoyed this video or found it at all helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.